Team vlog number 18. Claire, oh, well, you weren't supposed to see that, but I guess this is the robot in 15 hours. Yeah.
We're done.
Yeah, it's mostly there.
But like,
it kind of drags a little. Yeah, there's like a heck but ton of stuff. It doesn't lift. Stick it down. It doesn't lift up. That motor is completely useless. Owen agrees, right, Owen?
Yeah.
It actually, you know what it does? It goes back here and it powers that even more. Claire is through the field. Yeah. So yeah, we still have Bessie.
and it's really cold.
Yeah, it's like
Turn it up.
it's like 24 degrees in here. Yeah, it might be warmer though, cause there was a heater running. There was a heater running for a bit. We aren't freezing in here. We literally aren't freezing. There was a heater. We just turned it off because we're smart apparently.
It's really hot.
Yeah,
Like,
it gets pretty hot and it smells pretty awful.
And we get like.
Loopy. Serious. So yeah, we also took apart the first robot, except for that.
Thank you.
And then we notebooked some. I did all of the notebook today. All of the VRC notebook. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. I should add in like
Which
an
is
animated
only-
applause.
Which is only 2 pages.
But I will say it was
Guess
just 2 pages. And we won't tell you how many Claire did.
how many are going here?
Yeah. Don't tell them you were.
500 something.
Shut up. No one cares.
Yeah.
Does it look like you care? Okay.
I
So yeah, Owen was also programming the whole day. Say hi, Owen.
Let's not show them.
Say hi, Owen.
Hi.
No.
Hi, Owen.
Hi, Owen.
Hi, Owen.
There we go. Okay. So if you enjoyed,
If you watch,
if
your name
shh,
is Austin.
if your name's Austin, apparently we're giving you a shout out again. Okay, but if you, Owen, say hi, Owen.
Hi, Owen.
So if you enjoyed Owen saying hi, Owen, in the comments, do hi, Owen. So Owen will feel special and me and Claire will feel awful.
What?
Claire and I.
So if you enjoyed Owen saying hi, comment hi, Owen.
I'm doing